Hi guys, today's video is a bit of a random off-the-cuff one because something's just arrived. I've been collected from the post office and I wanted to show you what it is. It's going to be a bit of an eBay unboxing. So I am going on holiday tomorrow. We are all packed. Everyone is waiting for me to film this video because we're going to go down to the airport tonight. But I really wanted to show you what I have got. And I do not know what this looks like. It is a true unboxing. So this is something that I frequently look for. It's a discontinued bag. I look for this at least a couple of times a month. And only once have I found one, and it was like my unicorn. I've shown it in different bag collection videos. And I found the one that was like the absolute colour that I wanted, and ever since, because it's been such a cool bag to have, and just it's really useful, and I feel like it's really durable, the leather that it is. And I've just been looking to get another one in a different colour ever since, and this was such a deal. I say that before opening it. So, number one, it's Phillip and I do not know why they discontinued this bag because it's such a good little bag. And this was brand new, in theory, so she told me. Oh my god, it's perfect. Brand new. I forget how much they were kind of full price because I never bought mine full price, but in the region of £600 to £700, I would guess. I think I saw one that was like $850. So in that ballpark, at least 500, I would say. I paid $120 for this. It is brand new, never been used. The colour I think is peach white, and it is called the Messenger bag. It's just amazing. This is a gorgeous colour for spring. I'm so happy with it. Oh, and it just arrived just before holiday. It did say on the listing that there was a slight scratch on the metal here. That really doesn't bother me. I think if you're going to have this kind of clasp, you have to just make your peace with the fact that it's going to get scratched up. My other one does have a little bit of scratching because of the metal being gunmetal rather than the gold. I think the gold, when it gets scratched, is silver underneath and it's a little bit more obvious. Whereas this colour, although I'm thinking this is going to be even better. Yeah, it's just exactly the same colour underneath. The other one I've got is like a dark gunmetal colour, and underneath it's a little bit of a shinier silver like this. This is going to be even better. This is amazing. It is in absolutely brand new condition. It was like the heavens opened when I found this on eBay. This is amazing. So what I was going to do, what I was planning on purchasing, this is what it looks like inside, in Heathrow tomorrow was, I had planned to finally buy the Speedy B25 in the monogram canvas. I was totally 100% going to do that. It's 17% cheap because of VAT pricing or VAT free shopping at Heathrow. And I was 100% going to do it. And I thought, I'm just going to do my kind of regular search on eBay just to see if they've got any of the bags that I'm looking for. There are a couple of different things that I frequently search for. And the first thing I looked for was this. I found this and thought, well, I've just saved myself a chunk of change. I was really concerned about and I still am concerned about the Speedy and really anything that's the monogram because I really only like the patinaed leather look. And I'm really nervous of buying something that I know that I'm not going to love using until I've had it for a while, and you have to use it to get the patinaed look. I'm maxed out on videos about how to patina something quickly, and it would seem that the safest and best way to do it is just to wear it and let it happen naturally. And I just don't know whether or not I've got it in me to, I'm a very clumsy person. I have children that are very clumsy children. I don't know if I have it in me to like weather that period where you get the nice golden colour. So that was always kind of in the back of my mind, and I was possibly looking for an out because I was dead set that I was going to buy that bag, and I just worry that I may have regretted it. At least this way it gives me a little bit more time to think about it. I feel less pressured to be buying it because we're going on holiday, a little bit more time to kind of consider and maybe go the pre-loved route. They're not really any cheaper pre-loved, but at least they are pre-loved. So pre-patinaed and you know what you're going to get. But please, if you've got one, let me know your thoughts. But I am over the moon. I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of this. So it has got the same kind of, it's a very similar clasp to the Pochette Matisse. If you have seen that or are aware of that, it's very similar. I have a couple of the Phillip bags. It doesn't close as well. It doesn't do as well when there's nothing in it. not that it really matters, but it drives my husband crazy when we're walking and it's like, I have to close it for him. I can just tell as soon as I tune into it, I'm like, oh my God, this must be driving him crazy. So it's very, very structured. It's this, I want to say it's sharks. What do they call it? Shark something leather. I have to get my face out of this so it'll focus. I can't remember what, it's like shark skin or something it's called. And it's super, super durable. I don't know about colour transfer on the lighter colours, but I have the original Messenger, the Pashli. Oh, this is called the Pashli Messenger. It might be called the Pashli Mini Messenger. I have the original Pashli, like larger, you know, winged out thing, trapeze style bag. Satchel, was it called? And that's in Orchid, which is an amazing, like really deep, warm purple colour. And that still looks brand new. And then I have this in like a turquoise metallic colour. If you have not seen my handbag collection videos, it was in at least one of those. And at some point I may do, I want to dedicate a video to these because there are hardly any videos online. I know it's a discontinued item, but you can buy them pre-loved, and I would recommend that you do because they're just great bags. So number one, really, really structured. It has kind of that Celine vibe to it, and then it's actually really, really spacious. I know that I did, I don't know if it fit in there. I have an iPad mini, not to hand, because we are just about to go away, so it's in one of the children's backpacks. But either the iPad mini fit in the back there, or it fit in this pocket. I forget, but I know it fit in one of them. But it is way, way roomier than you think, and then it's got this little pocket here. And then the back pocket is magnetic as well. So it has got like a little magnetic piece there, so it keeps it closed. I will keep you posted on where. I feel like maybe the leather is a little bit dry on the strap. It possibly could do with a little bit of conditioner. I'm going to assume that the person that sold this probably purchased it in the sale and just never used it, because all the things that they were selling on eBay were very like formal wear, neutral business wear type stuff. And I think probably they bought this in the sale thinking it was going to be quite a dressed up kind of bag, but for me it's really, really casual. It's kind of rugged looking, and in this colour I can see how it was a bit of a mismatch and didn't work for that particular person. I think, you know, if I was to try and enter into the brain of the seller, I would guess that's what it was, because online I can see how this would look like quite a formal flat bag, and in real life it's I don't know whether or not it would go with that style. But for me, this is the perfect like amalgamation of spring and prettiness, while it's still a little bit kind of edgy and rugged because of the texture and because of the kind of angular and the hardware being a bit more rugged as well. I love it. I can't believe it's like a holiday miracle. I cannot believe how beautiful it is, and such a gorgeous colour. I'm not normally like a nude bag kind of person, but after this holiday we'll see how much I've used it. I can't wait to put my stuff in it now. I love it so much. Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks.